Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Lifesum for beginners. So first, download and install Lifesum and sign in to your account or sign in for an account. Now after you give the details that are needed, you will be directed here on the diary. And as you can see here your calories left for the day, your eaten and burned calories. You can also see here your carbs, protein, and fat. And here on the water, you can either add more 8 waters or more. And then for the breakfast, you can add here by clicking on the plus button and you can either search for the food, meal, or brand and then select it. For example, there you go. There is the steak. I will add a ribeye steak for example. No, there you go. Got it and then click on done. Then go to diary. As you can see here, I've already added the ribeye steak. And as you can see, I've eaten 484 calories. Now, there are recommended calories to intake on each lunch, dinner, and snacks. For lunch, I am recommended to eat 485 to 661 calories. Now, if you want to start intermittent fasting, you can click on this explore now. But you need to purchase the premium. Now you can also add a exercise and there is a recommended time for exercise. For me, it is recommended to exercise for 30 minutes. Just click on the plus button and you can add your exercise or the exercise that you've done. Now you can see here the green plus button. It is the shortcut for lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack, and exercise. Now let's go to the progress. Here on progress, you can see your weekly life score, your streaks, your weight goal. You can update your weight. Here my weight goal is 60 kilograms. And here's my current weight, 68 kilograms. You can see the statistics here. Now you can unlock this if you get the Health Connect and then your favorites, body measurements, and other statistics. You can also invite your friends. Now on the program, here you can see different program like the 16 by 8 morning fasting, 3 weeks weight loss, and other things. There are so many choices here to choose from. Just choose what you want to achieve. And the next here is the premium page. You can buy 1 month, 3 month, or 12 months. And here on recipes, you have a recipes here for suggested foods like nutty honey granola, chopped turkey salads, and many more. So basically, you can see here the recipes of this kind of foods. And that's basically it. That's how you use Lifesum for beginners.